Guys, it's number one BMX Josh here, and today I'm going to do another bike check. I'm going to delete the old video, and this will be my new one. I'm going to do, it's my Haro 300.2 2011. My top tube link is a 20.5 mid, or medium, not mid. That's my bottom bracket size, mid. I got a animal stitch pivot seat with a stock pivot post. I got ODI long necks, and I got Eastern nylon bar ends in clear teal, and I got, oh yeah, these are cut down a little bit. They're SS grips. Yeah, they're that spider. Cane Creek headset integrated. Yep, dialed. I got a Haro fork, alienation rimless to a stock hub in the front. Fluke flyer tire, Eastern Fluke flyer tire 2.30, and I got Haro recycled PC pedals, Haro 3-piece cranks, 25-piece sprocket, KMC chain, and mid-bottom bracket. Alienation rim in the back placed to a Corando hub. And I got a 2.25 tire in the back. I don't even know what kind of tire it is. I think it's a Kenda. Had those, it came stock on my bike, so I don't know what they are. And stock stem bolt. And I think that's it. Sides, yeah, that's it. And thanks for watching.